Hello. The TED Talk from Principal Linda Cliatt-Wayman was very inspiring. Although my school district is not rated as a dangerous environment as her school was, we do struggle with high poverty at Prairie View. So I was able to relate well with many of her concerns as an educational leader in an environment where students are dealing with lacking needs on a regular basis. And how that creates special challenges for those issues. She did have 3 mottos that she repeated throughout the video. The first one, if you're going to lead, lead. Number 2, so what, now what? And number 3, if nobody told you they loved you today, you remember that I do and I always will. And I could speak to all of these, but I'm going to primarily focus on number 2. So what, now what? Oftentimes in education, it's easy to get hung up on the problems rather than working toward a solution. Teacher lounges are cesspools for this kind of negative talk about issues rather than an encouragement or a push toward a solution. And so as a principal and a building leader, our drive, focus, and motivation should be toward well-developed solutions being put in place to combat those problems rather than letting problems and challenges consume us. And as a leader, we set the pace for our building. And so if we as a leader are having that attitude and demonstrating that on a regular basis, it will become part of our teachers' mission as well as our students. One more thought that I had was I was a little hung up on that comment at the beginning by that young girl and how she claimed that school building was not a school. It made me wonder how the students in my school would define our building. It definitely makes you think differently about your interactions with students as well as the different ways that your school is acting and the attitudes of teachers as well as the attitudes of administrators and how that really does set the tone for how students perceive school. So I'm really interested and look forward to hearing what others from our class have to say about this message, and I hope you enjoyed my take on it. Thank you.